Look at this one. It's Eldorado time at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Mediterranean blue fire mist paint coat on this car, number 90. Underneath the hood, 425 V8. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. New compressor on it, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work in the front of this car. Of course, 425 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. You can see chrome, bright work look good. Cadillac hood ornament still intact. It appears it has undergone a repaint. This paint is in nice shape, has a nice gloss to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You can be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Let's take a look at the wheel covers, white wall radials, 507-386-1726 number to call. You can see filler panels up front looking good. Little bit of a scuff on that one right there. Take a look at these long panels, how nice and straight they are down the side of this car. Of course, an iconic Eldorado from the late 70s, this body style. And you can see that passenger side not full of nicks, dings, scratches, nothing major. You may find an imperfection here or there, like I pointed out on the front, but overall, man, the side of that car is clean. And of course, the Landau top, the Biarritz badging on it, blue vinyl, looks like it's in nice shape. Look at this, 1978 rear defogger, electric. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a look at the options on this car, check out the interior a little bit closer. But first, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, just the cool little details from Cadillac, Eldorado. Insignia on the side marker lamp, and then your filler panels in the rear. You can see those are not all busted out, aged, cracked, what have you. Once again, take your time looking at the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. This would have the electric auto close on the trunk lid that is functioning on this car. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see some extras that go along with this that will be in the still pictures or in the trunk. There was the smaller Space Saver spare. There's also a full-size spare, owner's manuals, miscellaneous receipt, service manuals. Check them out in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into Eldorados, maybe you're into late 70s Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you can come see us in person. And as you can see, down the driver's side of this car, equally as nice. Again, look at how straight these long panels are. You know, if you start getting poor body work in those long panels, it gets wavy, and it gets wavy fast, and it is easy to notice. Not so much in this car. Vinyl roof, driver's side, also looking good. Speaking of looking good, let's take a look at this interior. First of all, let's start off with these door panels. I want to point something out along the way here. So you can look, original door panels, not full of grime, grease. It's not cracked, discolored, faded. Take a look at the top. No fading there. Gotta love this. Thermometer for outside temperature. Power windows, power locks. Would also have the window lockout over here. And then what I was going to show you, power driver's seat, forward, backwards, up, down, reclining. And then take a look at the Eldorado Biarritz interior, that nice pillow top cushion, leather. Now, as far as this interior, it's got a little bit of a wear spot across the leather here. Not ripped or torn through, but really, overall, pretty darn nice shape. And what I'm getting at is this has 53,915 on the odometer. Believed to be original. And kind of judging by the dash, condition of the car, underneath the hood, wouldn't surprise me. Unfortunately, once a vehicle is a certain age, we cannot confirm or deny that due to the fact it does not stay in the title. It gets marked exempt. Take a look at the headliner. Also in nice shape. So kind of a little bit about condition of interior. The odometer reads it is missing a portion of the wood grain on the steering wheel, as you can see there. Mentioned earlier, AC blows cold. So you have climate control over here. Yes, AC blows cold. I had the wipers working. I've had the AM FM working, and it is an 8-track player also. So we're going to fire up that 425 V8. All right, turn the radio on. Power antenna works. That's going up right there. George Michael. There it is. Or would have been Wham back then with George Michael. Anyway, enough about the tunes. Top of the car, or top of the dash, looking good. This car's been stored indoors, no doubt about that. There's no cracking, discoloring, aging. Fuel gauge up here also appears to be working. 425 running pretty darn smooth. Door closes nicely, slip around to the back. This thing's quiet. All right, up to the front. I'm gonna pop this hood. Hood release would be on the interior of this car. So let me get the hood popped, check out that engine bay, and remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's gonna take you for a drive, see how this thing goes down the ride, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a peek at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So there it is. Again, 425 V8. And you can see lack of corrosion on the inner fender wells, just kind of all over in this car. Lack of grease, grime. It's a very nice, clean engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, newer compressor, AC blows cold. There is a battery disconnect over here also for in between drives or when it's in storage. But yeah, it just looks very original underneath the hood and also nice and clean and tidy. AC has been converted from R12, by the way. Check the fittings out here. So the 134 AC has been converted. Pretty cool. Gotta love this body style Cadillac. The big boys. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726. Again, number to call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado in a very nice blue inside and out with some wood grain on the dash. Smooth running, quiet running Cadillac as they should be. Turn signal working, excellent power steering. Our factory radio is working.
But people said she was really cool and she was like not bothered.
Speedometer showing correctly, and that looks like the only gauge. We've got a lot of warning lights from this era, other than the fuel gauge, which is showing 3/4 of the way full. AC is blowing cold on this Cadillac. The windshield wipers do function. Multi-position power leather seats in this Cadillac with extra cushion on top. Super comfy. This feels like Better than my couch at home, honestly. Smooth braking on this Cadillac. This is, of course, a two-door. Corners as it should for a 78 Eldorado. A luxurious cornering. Very nice, quiet, smooth ride. Rides and feels like a low-mile car. Very comfortable to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.